Alright guys, on CapCut, click on new project and import two images. You get my point. So these are the two images right here. So what you're going to do is you come over to this other side of the image, you tap on it, then you go and look for overlay. Click on overlay, then tap on the layer and drag it to the beginning of the video. Tap on the first layer, click and drag the ending part of the first layer and extend it to either 7 or 6 seconds. You get my point. Now tap on the second layer right here and then make sure they align together with the first layer. So what you do again is to adjust this second layer, make sure it doesn't start with the first layer. So this is how it's gonna be. You get my point. So at this point, what you need to do is just come over to this second layer right here. Before then, if you are getting value from this video, please make sure you hit the like button. You know, when you like this video, YouTube will recommend it to a larger audience. You get my point. So now let's go click on mask, and then click on mirror. So when you click on mirror, you're going to have something like this. So all you need to do is to place your two fingers on screen and adjust the two parallel lines together. Make sure they join together. You get my point. When that is done, you down take it to one angle where you want it to be. So you tap on the second layer as it is, you add keyframe at the beginning of the second layer, then you move the video a bit towards the ending part of the second layer. Then from here, you try to open the parallel lines and keyframe will be added automatically. I don't know if you get my point. Please make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you'll be able to create this same video. You get my point. So if you are coming across my video for the first time and you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, please hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell by that subscribe button. You get my point. That's so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing update like this. Also, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me also know what you suggest I should create in my next video. If you don't even know what to say, you can drop an emoji for me. You know, that's my motivation. You get my point. So when that is done, this is how the video is gonna play. Understand? So we are proceeding. So we're gonna get it. So just stay tuned, keep watching this video, follow it step by step so you won't miss out on any part. So that's just it. Now click on this OK button. Let's go back. You get my point. So guys, the next thing you are going to do is to go and look for text. Just come to text here. When you come to text, click on add text. Click on add text, bro. So you're not going to type anything for now. What you need to do is to go to style. When you go to style, you can increase the size. You can play around with this size. So I will leave my own the way it is. So you go to glow. See glow here. Now I choose this one right here, this first one here. So when you choose it, you're gonna see how it's gonna appear here on screen. You get my point. Now let's go select a color. You can choose your own color. Understand? It's not a must that you use the color I use. So you can select your own preferred color. So me, let me select one particular color right here. Let me pick this one right here. So I think this one is okay. You get my point. And then let's go to effect. The effect we are going, let's select another effect here. So guys, you need to take time and watch this video. Don't rush. So when you select this one, now you can come back here. What you need to do is to click on this number button. You see this underscore. You tap on your underscore. See underscore right here. So just keep tapping on underscore till you see it to get to the end of the screen. You get my point. So now we've gotten our parallel line. Understand? Now we've gotten the line. What we're gonna do is you're gonna adjust it. Make sure you use your finger to turn it so it will go to the direction of this mask. I don't know if you get my point, if you are following. Understand? So try to align it right here. You get my point? Just let me know in the comment section you get my point. So when you align it right here, now tap on the layer, go and look for duplicate. Click on duplicate. Make sure both of them are in the same position. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Make sure both of them are in the same position. So now what you do, you add keyframe at the beginning of the first duplicated layer and the beginning of the second duplicated layer. I don't know if you understand. Now you have to move the video a bit. Then when you move it a bit, you see that the mask video will be opening. From there, you adjust the first parallel line to go alongside with how the video is opening. I don't know if you understand. So when you adjust the first parallel line, you still have to come back to the second parallel line and adjust it towards the opening of the mask video. Guys, I believe you should understand what I'm saying. When that is done, keyframe will be added to each of the layers automatically. Alright guys, there are two hidden CapCut features I exposed and I know it will interest you to watch. These are the features you can never do without, no matter the niche you are. You get my point? So just click the link you see up here, go check them out and let me know in the comment section what you think about the videos. You get my point? Okay, back to business. So this is how you're gonna do till you are able to expose the guy in the mask. You get my point? When you are done, so this is how the video is gonna play. So let's just watch it out. Guys, if you've not liked this video, please hit the like button. Understand, you know, when you do that, YouTube will be able to share this video to a larger audience, and you know we need to grow. We need to grow, so that's just it. So when that is done, you tap on the second layer. The second layer here, you want to make the zoom out on the second layer. So when you tap on it, place two fingers on your screen and adjust it, make it small. Understand? You won't be able to see it, understand, because you are at the beginning of the second layer, unless you move the video a bit so you'll be able to see the way it is. Then you can use your fingers and adjust it, make it bigger. Understand? Don't make it bigger than the parallel lines. Remember, there was a keyframe at the beginning of the second layer. So when you are moving, when you touch the second layer character as it is, another keyframe will be added. Understand? So that's the keyframe you are going to be using to make sure the character comes bigger when you open the mask. I don't know if you get my point. When that is done, go over to the beginning of the video and tap on the first layer. Now click on animation. Understand? So you see this second animation here, layers. So you're going to select the second animation. So guys, you are good to go. Just click on the OK button and you can export your video to your gallery. So see you in our next video.